Hello, my name is Oscar Ramos. I am excited about working in the US, USAS technology company because in the means contributed to innovative project and learning from diverse teams. My strengths are the cloud infrastructure, cybersecurity, and problem solving, supported by 5 years old remote technical support experience. I am confident my adaptability and teamwork will help me advance in the international environment. Thank you.